Imagine the world as a living organism. If highways are the arteries of the economy, ports are its hearts. Most things we buy daily, from phones and clothes to food and fuel, have passed through a port at some point. But ports aren't all the same. Each one is built for specific cargo and strategic roles. In this video, we'll quickly and clearly explore the main types of ports with simple, visual explanations. A port links sea to land for docking, cargo handling, and connections to road, rail, or pipelines. 1. What is a port and harbor? A port is a fully equipped logistic, commercial, and transport hub where ships dock for cargo, passenger, and service operations. Main functions of a port: loading and unloading cargo, customs and security control, warehousing and logistics management, control, fueling and ship repair, passenger or cargo terminals. But a harbor is a natural or artificial water area that provides a safe haven for ships from waves and storms. A modern port is made up of different sections, each playing a vital role in its operation. 1. Wharf, berth, pier. The berth is the place where ships dock and loading and unloading operations take place. The berth is composed of fenders, bollards, access lanes, a loading deck, and safety equipment. How many types of piers do we have? Container wharf. This type of wharf is dedicated to loading and unloading shipping containers, 20 feet and 40 feet. A large container wharf can handle between 2 to 5 million TEUs per year. It is mainly used for importing and exporting electronics, clothing, home appliances, and car parts. 2. Bulk cargo wharf. This wharf is dedicated to bulk cargo such as wheat, coal, cement, iron ore, and animal feed. Its handling capacity can range from 10 to 50 million tons per year. They are mainly used for importing raw materials and exporting mineral products. 3. Oil and LNG wharf. This type of wharf is designed for crude oil, liquefied natural gas, LNG, and petroleum products. It is the most profitable and strategic type of wharf in the world. Sometimes a single oil wharf can handle over 30 to 60 million tons annually. They are mainly used to export energy to Europe, East Asia, and the USA. 4. Passenger and cruise wharf. This wharf is used for passenger ships and cruise liners. It is highly important in countries with strong maritime tourism. Millions of people use these wharves every year. They are mostly active in regions such as the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, and the Persian Gulf. 5. Military, naval wharf. This type of wharf is dedicated to warships, submarines, and military support vessels. Its importance is extremely high because it plays a vital role in national security, naval operations, and maritime border control. Countries with the most active naval wharves. 1. USA. Naval bases in San Diego, Norfolk. 2. China, major naval ports in the South China Sea. 3. Russia, naval bases in the Black Sea and the Arctic. 4. Iran, Bandar Abbas and Chabahar are major regional naval points. 2. Port cranes. Port cranes are the main equipment used to load and unload cargo between ships, wharves, and port yards. The proper performance of cranes directly affects the speed, safety, and cost of port operations. The main types of port cranes. 1. Ship-to-shore crane, STS. This crane is specifically designed to load and unload containers from container ships. It is considered the most important and expensive type of port crane. Each STS crane can handle between 30 and 40 containers per hour. The height of these cranes can exceed 100 meters. They are mainly used in large container ports such as China, Singapore, the Netherlands, and the UAE. 2. Gantry crane, RTG, RMG. These cranes are used in port yards for moving and stacking containers. Their role complements key cranes. The lifting capacity usually ranges from 40 to 65 tons. 3. Mobile harbor crane. These cranes are mobile and used for various types of cargo. They are mainly used in multi-purpose and smaller ports. Their capacity can reach up to 150 tons. 4. Bulk handling crane. This crane type is used for bulk cargo such as grain, minerals, and coal. These cranes are usually equipped with grab systems or conveyor belts. 3. Container yard, SI. A container yard is the area of a port where containers are stored and organized after being unloaded from ships and before being reloaded. In imports, containers move from ships to the yard and then to trucks or trains. 4. Warehouses and storage areas. Port warehouses are facilities where goods are temporarily stored before final import or after export. Port warehouses include general, covered, cold storage, and hazardous goods warehouses. In imports, goods remain in warehouses until customs clearance. 5. Passenger terminal. A passenger terminal is a port facility designed for handling, processing, and serving sea travelers. Main components of a passenger terminal include waiting halls, entry and exit gates, passport control, and security areas. Advanced terminals offer facilities such as shops, restaurants, VIP lounges, and tourism services. The capacity of passenger terminals can range from thousands to several million passengers per year. 6. Logistics zone. The logistics zone is a part of the port designed for managing, processing, and distributing cargo after unloading or before loading. This zone plays a key role in connecting the port to road and rail transport networks. These zones usually include warehouses, distribution centers, transport terminals, and logistics company offices. Conclusion: the logistics zone is the main engine of cargo flow between the port and the market. 7. Maintenance and workshops. Maintenance and workshops are responsible for maintaining, repairing, and keeping port equipment operational. Equipment such as port cranes, forklifts, trucks, and mechanical systems are serviced in these workshops. 8. Customs and security. Customs and security are responsible for the legal, financial, and safety control of goods, passengers, and vehicles in the port. This section prevents illegal entry and exit of goods, smuggling, and security threats. Customs is responsible for document verification, cargo valuation, and duty collection. Port security is responsible for physical inspections, access control, and 24/7 surveillance. 9. Bunkering, fuel supply. Port bunkering is the process of supplying ships with the fuel they need to continue their voyage. Bunkering can be carried out ship to ship, at the berth, or from shore tanks. Common fuels include fuel oil, marine diesel, and low-sulfur fuels. The bunkering sector includes storage tanks, pipelines, pumps, and safety equipment. 10. Port Control Tower, Vessel Traffic Service, VTS. The Port Control Tower is the center for monitoring, guiding, and managing marine traffic within the port area. This unit is responsible for enhancing vessel safety and preventing marine collisions. The control tower uses the VTS system to monitor vessel movements in real time. The control tower coordinates vessel entry, departure, berthing, and maneuvering. This unit provides ships with weather and sea condition information. Control tower operators are trained and hold international certifications.